guys. So I hope that you finished coloring your page, you paused, and you finished writing your words. And now we are to our favorite part, the craft making time, right? So we are going to make a flowered lei. Remember that just means that it's a flowered necklace. So you're going to have your flowers cut out. You have more flowers than I do, hopefully, because I am just doing an example for you, and then you're going to keep doing it, okay? So I have some string. If you have string left over from your lights, you can use that. Or hopefully maybe you have some string laying around the house that you could use, okay? I didn't think about it ahead of time, but if you have noodles, you could string noodles on your necklace in between your flowers to space them out, like elbow noodles, or this would require my Mr. Wrenchler. He knows noodle names so well. I don't know noodle names. A noodle with a hole in the center. Or if you have beads left over from your candy cane, you could use those in between the flowers too. But what you need to do is you're going to take a flower and you're going to take your pencil and you're going to put your pencil in the center of your flower, and then I'm going to fold my fingers around to fold my flower, and I'm going to gently push my pencil through the center of my flower. If your adult has a hole punch somewhere around the house, you could probably use a hole punch too. But I'm going to poke my pencil gently through my flower. If you accidentally rip your flower, that's okay because you have extras, right? So then you're going to take your yarn, string, whatever you found, and you're going to put it through. I have to twist mine because it's coming unraveled a little bit. Even if you had pipe cleaners, you could hook pipe cleaners together too. That would be cool. You could have a fuzzy one. So I'm going to put the flower through the string, and if I had noodles or beads, I could put those on next to space my flowers out. But I am going to put 10 red flowers on my necklace. And if you have beads or noodles, you could put them in this space right here. And then you will ask an adult to help you tie it. And then you could put it on and you have your very own flower lei. And I bet that you all look super duper amazing. I hope that you have fun creating this. Listed below this link is a link for a story where you can hear some Hawaiian words where they say Merry Christmas and they talk about Santa, and they tell you the Hawaiian word for kid. There's whole bunches. And then below that is like a half an hour long worth of Hawaiian music. I don't expect you to listen to the whole half an hour, but I thought that it was cool to listen to some Hawaiian Christmas music. So I linked that for you there. But I hope that you had fun, and I can't wait to go on our next stop with you guys. Have a good day.